Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're taking a quick look at what you can do with a D-29 license. Now, in the state of California, the D-29 paper hanging contractor applies all types and varieties of decorative wall coverings except painting or paneling, including paper and vinyl goods, cork, burlap, and carpet type wall coverings. Now, this classification falls under the C61 limited specialty umbrella. I'm not going to go through all of these points. I've got this definition linked below. You should definitely check it out. However, we're going to take a look at two pertinent points to this video. An applicant classified and licensed in the classification limited specialty shall confine activities as a contractor to that field or fields and scope of operations set forth in the application and accepted by the registrar, or to that permitted by Section 831. A specialty contractor other than a C61 contractor may perform work within the field and scope of the operations classification C61, provided the work is consistent with established usage and procedure in the construction industry and is related to the specialty contractor's classification. So you always want to make sure that the work you're doing, the materials you're using, fall under the correct classification, and that your certifier clearly explains on the application what it is that you're doing and that it is accepted by the CSLB. You always want to go by what they stipulate so you don't run into any issues. Now, the vast majority of the contractors that hold this classification are doing wallpaper hanging and removal, generally in a residential and commercial setting. Vinyl wall covering, padded walls, interior designers and consultants in many cases hold this classification. Different acoustic fabric systems, product sales and suppliers. In many cases, it's a contractor license that many people who specialize in interior design go for. Now, in the state of California, you can hold multiple contractor license classifications. The most common additional licenses are the C33 painting and decorating, the B general building license, and the D52 window coverings classification. Now, holding multiple contractor licenses is possible. You need to actually have the experience in these trades in order to add an additional license. We've got more information about holding multiple contractor licenses on our website. Strongly suggest that you check that out. Now, in order to get the D-29 license, you've got to pass the California Construction Law exam. This is an exam that covers everything from licensing requirements to advertising and subcontracting, taxes, bidding and cost control, workers' compensation. There's a ton of information that you're going to need to know. We cover everything in detail on our course. Now, the exam is 115 questions, multiple choice. It's going to be closed book. You'll get about 3 hours to complete it. It's going to be taken via computer at a proctored testing facility that will be assigned to you based on your zip code. Now, the mathematics you can expect will probably be within the realm of arithmetic, different units of measurement, calculating square footage, and be prepared for questions related to percentages and decimals. Now, we cover everything in a clear and easy to understand format with tons of examples and diagrams, essentially a full course covering everything, not only on the exam, but in California construction law. This could come in the form of physical study guides or ebooks, online videos with audio reviews, tons of online practice exam questions, a complete math course, then of course application, preparation, and review with full customer support throughout the entire process. Now, we've got the requirements for the D-29 license. I strongly suggest that you check that out. We've also got the most up-to-date fees as well as links to the application that you can find below this video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. This is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.